Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, what a beautiful thing to show you as of now in terms of trading. And just would like to let you know that please go and watch my other video, which is for a longer period of time, but it explains the geopolitical things. This is just as a short for the trading point of view from gold, which is a very beautiful thing that has happened. If you see my last short that I have uploaded, you remember I spoke about this liquidity sweep over here, and when that time the market was somewhere at this point in time, this was the candle, or where else it did go up, and then of course it tried to follow this particular mark, and we saw a very good fall right here, wherein I told you that yes, here if it goes stays above this, then you can always look for a buy position, which you could have got it over here, and till this point, at least till this point, you could have done that. Now after that, with this two parallel things that you see, the trend line, now it has given you a new high, then the previous high, that is a higher high, and then came down and trying to test this level, this trend line which is going in. Now the gold is moving in a sideways. However, just like I said, now a very good position for you would be, certainly this is not the right time to enter into any position, and that's the reason I'm making this video, so that you know as to where you can enter, as to what positions you can take. Now let's be a little quick over here. Say if it crosses below this point of 4478, so this is a testing support, which is really, as per the trend line, this is a testing support on 1 hour basis. If it is able to cross and close below this, and then on the retest of this line, then you can take a sell position. If it gets rejected, then it will fall down further to reach up to the level of 4428, 4412, and then further down to test this level of 4363. However, you have to wait and watch now, in order, if it crosses below this and closes below this, and then the next candle that you see, you can make a decision as per the 5 minute or 1 minute or 15 minutes for the confirmation. Apart from that, if it does not, if this becomes a trend support, which is a strong support, again it is 2 times, you see, if you're following the trend and giving you the lower highs. Now here's the thing, so if it gets rejected here with this support line and goes back up, then again it will try to test the levels of 4523, cross that, 4550, and then of course 4580, and so on and so forth, following the trend of 1 hour. So that's all I have for you. You know where you're supposed to buy or sell with this current situation, and tomorrow when the market opens up, and if it goes back up, then you know where you're supposed to buy or sell. Waiting for the confirmation. Only when you get the confirmation is when you will open any position, whether it is a buy or a sell. That's all I have for you today. You have a great day. See you tomorrow.